various annotation in the VDM. So VDM.viewType, basic, composite, and consumption, right? Analytics.data category. Analytics.data category. So this dimension and fact data category can be used with this basic view, okay, and this composite view both. Okay, so let's first understand this one. The view type, basic, composite, and consumption. This dimension and fact can be used with basic both. With this composite, you can use this fact. Okay, so generally with the basic view, we are going to use the dimension. This one, the dimension data category we are going to use. Dimension represents the master data table. The fact represents, if you remember in the information model, the fact is surrounded by various dimension, right? Fact is nothing but measure. Fact is nothing but a measure. And cube represents the star schema. The fact surrounded by dimension. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell it over here that your if you remember still the star schema, right? The star schema. So what used to happen in the star schema? The node, this node used to be represented by the master data. Okay, and the relationship between the master data, data, this node, the relationship between this node used to be represented by the attribute view, right? In the center, we used to have what? In the center, we used to have the fact table. Fact table. In the center, this master data is joined. 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 So all combined together is known as cube. All combined together is known as cube. This fact is the inner circle and the dimension is this node. Okay. So dimension, these are the nodes. This circle is the fact and the cube is the complete star schema. So complete star schema comes into the picture here also in the composite view also. If we're going to use this data category as cube, then you will be able to represent the data in the query browser in S4 embedded analytics. Okay. And this also you'll have to mark at the rate of analytics dot query colon true. So these all are actually required, okay, in order to consume the VDM. And here also you can see at the rate of analytics dot data extraction dot enabled true or false. Just go and create one VDM. All the concept will be created. It's very simple, not difficult. Just uh, you'll have to use the annotation and it will be easy. And here object model dot data category, this is optional. Okay, so whatever the important one we have here in the green one, and this is the optional. This is for the data category, but this will improve the performance. This data category, size category. Okay, if 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 you are going to use this one, size category, category, the data class. So all this extra annotation is going to improve the performance of the VDM. Okay, going to improve the performance of the CDS. VDM, CDS, both is same.